Okay guys, don't be mad. Don't be mad. In life we make some choices that make and break certain things in our life. I just needed this for myself. I feel like this was needed, okay? After a lot of trial and tribulations, this was needed for me and for people in my life who are going to get this as gifts, and for you who are going to get some as gifts also, okay? So stay tuned for future giveaways. Don't be mad at me. Don't be mad. Just stay tuned for future giveaways. Subscribe for future giveaways. Like, come on. I can't use this. I need to split some. We need to split some between everyone. We will. Christmas is gonna be fun for everyone. Okay, let's get started. If you didn't know, OFRA recently did their OFRA Scoops, and if you don't know what OFRA Scoops are, is basically where they throw a bunch of their products in this big bin with a bunch of like little beads in it, and they get like a basket and they like scoop up all these products for you, and then if you order 3 scoops you get a free PR box. So that's what I did. I ordered 3 scoops. Each scoop was $55. You weren't allowed to use coupon codes. I don't know if you're allowed to use your OFRA points. I think you are. But with 3 scoops, I got a free PR package. So let's get into this. We have a lot. And we also have a lot of repeats. Alrighty, so the first thing I want to talk about is the Soul palette. I don't know how much this costs or retails for. I believe it retails for almost like $100. So this is already covering a good cost of the box. And in here you get a blush, bronzer, highlighters, eyeshadows, a brightening powder. This shade looks beautiful as like just a copper eye. I love that. I'm excited. I love their face palettes. They're so good to have. I have a smaller one that I got from BoxyCharm, and it's so nice to have when you're like traveling, I feel like. Oh guys, I need space because we have a lot of shit here. You guys are gonna kill me once I lay all this out. Now I don't know if I'm keeping all of this, so I'm not swatching much. If I do swatch it, is because I am keeping it. Then I have 2 Charm Your Cheeks blush palettes. I actually do have this blush palette already, so that's why I will just be passing these along. But look how beautiful these blushes are. I would love to give these as gifts. A lot of women in my family do wear blush. I feel like that's like the one thing everyone loves. It's blush. And then I do have 2 of the OFRA Mini Mix Hot Mess Mama palette. I've been wanting this palette, so I'm really happy to have it. You get like one of those like really big highlighters, 2 blushes, and like really nice neutral eyeshadows. I feel like this is very nice to have. It's very versatile, and I will be keeping one, and one will be given away. The next thing I have in here are 3 Battle Lashes, and this has a conditioning primer, a biokeratin mascara, and a lash growth serum. So you put the serum before bed, you wear the mascara and the primer, you know. So I have 3. I will be keeping one and passing 2 along. I'm actually glad I got 2 of these because the last time I did pass it along to my grandmother because she loves products like this, like a blushy highlighter moment. So I passed that along to her and I think she did love it. So I have 1 to keep and 1 to pass along. I have 2 Made with Love. These are cream blushes. These are cheek and lip creams. And I have these 2 shades, but I don't have this shade. I think I'm just gonna take the shade I don't have and pass these 2 along to family and then give away a whole one. We have Christmas gifts for every like woman in my family. The next item is the OFRA Rodeo Drive Makeup Fixer. I'm definitely keeping one of these. Ooh, definitely keeping one of these because I love this product. And I'm sorry if I have to like be sideways here. It's because this box is huge. I definitely am keeping one, but I am passing along 2 of them. So we have a lot of lip products. Alright, so I have a liquid lipstick in the shade Saint Tropez, which is a very nice pink shade. I don't know if I would wear this shade, so I think I am gonna pass it along. But I do have the shade Brickle, and I think this one is definitely one I'm going to keep. I mean, look at the color. So pretty. I can't. And then I have 3 Miami Fevers. I have to keep one, and then I will pass 2 of them along. You will get a little piece of Miami if you get the piece. I don't know what I'm doing. I have a lot, so I will definitely do giveaway. Don't worry, guys. It's coming. So I'm saving this stuff for a holiday giveaway. That's what I want. I want to make like 2 holiday giveaways and make like Christmas giveaways, because my last Christmas, you guys, was really bad. I spent my last Christmas really sick with the vid, so that was my Christmas. So for gloss, I do have 3 Glam lip glosses, which is this like really pretty nude color. So I'm keeping one and I'm passing 2 along. And then I do have this baby doll lip gloss, which I feel like is perfect for the fall because I feel like this color, it's like berry color, is so pretty. I feel like it's so pretty for the fall. I do have this set, so these 2 will be getting passed along. I feel like there are women in my family who would probably like this. Be a giveaway, like a subscriber would like this. I don't know. We have the OFRA Sparklights Topper. This one is in Iconic, and I do actually have this. This is stunning. It's like a golden eye topper. It looks so pretty. Just like on the center of the lid, it just looks so stunning. I love this. This will be passed along as well. And then in here I also have the midi palette. This is the Madison Miller Squad midi palette. I don't have this one, so oh, that's cute. This is what that looks like. You have a blush and 2 highlighters, but I feel like I will use them as blush toppers. Super cute. And then I do have the new midi palette in Cotton Candy Skies, which I'm so happy to have this. If you guys don't know, they literally just released 2 of these. One of them was like a more orangey peachy color and one of them was more pinky. I did receive the pinky one. So in here you get a cream blush, a highlighter, and a powder blush, and I just love this little trio. Another thing I don't have is this All Eyes on Me kit. You have a liquid lipstick in the shade Stand Out. You have a highlighter in Flash, and you have another liquid lipstick in the shade Bestie. And this is just really cute. It has like really many cute little mini size products. So the next thing that's in this box is the highlighter from the Rodeo Drive collection in the shade Brentwood. This I think is the deeper shade. This is the deeper shade one. Very pretty. Really like that. Giveaway, I already have that one. And then this next product is the OFRA highlighter in the shade Peppermint, and I think this was from Christmas like a year back. They released like a bunch of highlighters, Christmas themed, and this was one of them. This one's in the shade Peppermint. It has like this nice like pinky kind of tone. I really like this color. I'm gonna swatch it because I am keeping it. Very pretty. Oh my god, I love it. So stunning. And I have a ton of OFRA highlighters. They do not disappoint me ever. And then we have 2 OFRA skincare products. I love OFRA skincare so much. So we have the OFRA B5 serum, a B5 and sodium hyaluronate dry skin saver, which I need because I'm a dry ass bitch. And then I have the fruit acid lotion, which is an oil balancing toner that reduces flare-ups and breakouts. So something you use when you're breaking out. There's remnants of Lucky Scoops in here. And then we got the PR box. Oh, this is the Ride or Die PR box. This is heavy. Okay, and in here we have 3 blush kits. So I'm gonna pull them all out. We'll open them up and see. Okay, in here we have a blusher and a liquid blush. So the liquid blush in here is in the shade Authentic, and it's like this really nice light pink shade. I feel like that's really nice for every day. And then I do have the blusher. This one's in the shade Crew. Oh, that's beautiful. I love these blushers. I have one. It's like from a collab. The most prettiest thing. I'm gonna use the fuck out of this. And it has a liquid blush that matches it. Stop it right now. I don't know if I'm going to be able to use all the shades in here, so we'll see. And I think this was like the most popular PR kit out of all of them. The next one, we have the liquid blush in Loyal. This one is very similar to the first one, but I think the tone is just a little more on the nude side instead of like the pink side. And then the blusher is in the shade Unit. Ooh, this one has a blush bronzer moment. That's gonna be nice. OFRA has the perfect on-the-go products. They have the perfect on-the-go products. This, traveling, you have your blush and your bronzer and you can just Now you have a cream liquid product because they have creams too. They have everything. OFRA, I love you. I love you, OFRA. You're great. You're doing great. This is great. I'm having the time of my life. This box has been sitting in my room because I haven't had the time to go through it, and now that I've had the time to go through it, you guys, like, I feel like a kid at Christmas. It's the best feeling. It really is. And here is the last one. This is, I think, the deepest out of the three. I can't get in. I can't get in. Let me in. Oh my god, am I doing this wrong? Let me in. Ooh. I think this liquid blush is actually the prettiest. This one is in the shade Truly. I think this is my favorite liquid blush out of all of them. And then we do have the blusher. This one's in the shade Squad. This one's definitely the deepest out of all of them. I do love the blush in here though. I don't think I can get much use out of the bronzer. I don't know, we'll have to see, but I think this blush will be something I pass along because I just don't see myself using it, but I will keep the liquid bronzer. But I will keep the liquid blush. So I'm literally keeping 22 products and I'm giving away 22 products, making this, for me, still very much worth it. For the price I paid, I'm sure that the products that I'm keeping already have a total value of like some insane value. So imagine everything together. So I will put the total price up on the screen for you because this is a lot to calculate, but I still would say that this was very much worth it and a very much enjoyable experience all around. I will only get one scoop from now on just to do it because I think it's still such a fun thing to do. And look how much products I have to give away now for Christmas for you guys. I'm so excited. If you enjoyed this video, if you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching and for clicking on this video today. Did you pick up any Lucky Scoops? Do you want to? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would love to hear from you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. It was a good deal. Don't be mad, okay? So, you know, oh god, that would have been horrible. Cream and lip. We've gone through that last Christmas. Oh shit. You have a liquid lipstick in the shade Stand Out. You have a liquid lip shade in this. I can't keep this peeling off. Okay. But I will put the value up on the screen because this is going to take a lot of calculating. I will put the price and a very much enjoyable experience